This is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport, stock reference number 5624. The shape runs from the second month 2012 through to the 7th month 2018. It has a 3.6 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic 4-drive transmission. 3.6 litre V6 petrol engine. We have the right hand headlight, left hand headlight, radiator grille, left power door mirror. Both left hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Hard top. Factory with all bolts and brackets. Rhino-Rack roof racks with the King's awning with all bolts and brackets. Left hand taillight. Tailgate has no damage. Tidy rear bumper cover. Spare wheel. 18-inch factory alloy mag, no rash, good tyre. Right rear taillight. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right hand doors have no damage. Right power door mirror. Right guard has no damage, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. Heater controls. Auto center console. 6-stack CD player. Left sun visor, interior mirror, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons.